Hello guys, Jai Shri Shyam, welcome to Banya Trades and आज है day 4. If you see here, last 3 trading days, day 1, day 2, day 3 and today is day 4. मैं हर दिन अब videos upload कर रहा हूँ and I'm trying to show how actual trading works. There will be losses days where you will ended up in red, and there will be green days as well. So I'll show you directly the PNL once if you want to see it. See if this is for the September month. So you can't judge a trader basis on a single day profit or loss, right? So if you see on September, right, I am having 9 red days and it's kind of a deep red days, deep red and deep green. So it's kind of similar, average kind of losing day and average kind of winning day. But still I ended up making 14k, which is basically the capital which, so see, it's not 14k or 140k or 1 CR or 1 lakh, 14 lakh. It's not like that. It's like how much capital I infused to generate this kind of return, right? So the capital which I used here was around 80 to 90,000. I was using 1,20,000, but 50k was the redundant fund which was not getting consumed with these trades. Okay? So if you see, it's kind of 18% of return with 9 red days. So similarly you will face this kind of issues and this kind of, not issues, basically this kind of challenges you will see. You will have to take that red day and you have to be a very systematic and disciplined with your all the trades and all your rules which you made. So this is my Indian curve for today. If you see, my stop loss got hit at 1240, around 12, between 1230 to 1245, right? You can see here. From here on, it's more than 5,000, around 5,500, and from here on, it will like a single line because my PNL will not fluctuate once all my position got closed. So if you see, it started from like minus 700, 600. I was already taken the trade. It was way before that, but it's like the recording, the screenshot was started since 10:30 and it started capturing it. So around 2000 or so, again it goes back to 0, and then again slowly and steady I went to the stop loss and it got hit. So there was something which happened today I'd like to share. So what happened is, basically I tried new things. I was actually working on something. So if you see, generally I take 2 trades, right? Only 2 trades for a day. But here if you see this 2 trades, LTIM and TVS Motor, this I started and I closed it immediately, like within 10 minutes. If you see 9:59, 9:54, 10:12 and 10:14, right? So this I closed immediately because I was trying something and it's kind of an experimental cost which I gave, like around 1200 rupees was the experimental cost which I bear today for this. So this we can ignore, right? But still my stop loss, the whole MTM stop loss, right, the complete this complete portfolio stop loss was at 5,500. Once my 5,500 position got reached, like once I get a negative of 5,500, whatever it is, it will close all of my position at the moment. This my RMS system will do this. This RMS which I created, right? This RMS is risk management system. What it will do? It will just work on basis on the portfolio loss, what my overall portfolio loss is. So I set my portfolio loss at 2% to 2.5%. It varies, like I changed it to like 2 between 2 to 3%, right, according to my variance, according to my understanding and biasness of the market. So similarly I set like these days I had set it to 5,500 of the total portfolio. Once my portfolio got into minus 5,500, it will cut all the position, whatever the open position is, and it will not allow me to take, even if I want to trade also, it will again cut the position. I will show you that also. Let's say if I take this position, I'll gather some losses, but right now I have stopped this RMS, so I think it will not work. Otherwise, if what it will do, if I take a position again and it will again close it, so it's kind of, it will not allow me to trade anymore. It's like it will also stop you from over trading. Okay. So yeah, that's it. I think today I explained everything. The shares, the stocks which I traded, I'll tell you. So this is the HCL Tech. I traded somewhere here. I made a position somewhere here, and market is still in the same range, not having much, not showing much loss. But what actually affected my stop loss is this Adani. So Adani is actually a very volatile stock. I don't want, or I don't prefer to trade here because it always gives me a loss only, not any not any help, not of any help. So if you see, I traded somewhere here at this position. I thought this resistance which this support which is made since so long, right? It's since the October month start, so it's around tested multiple times, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Today I thought it will break it and it will give me a good decent return, but yeah, market is supreme, we can't do anything, and it again bounced back with the same region. Same thing happening with HCL Tech, but yeah, it's not giving so much of good bull run, so it's kind of expected that it might break this support which is getting generated in upcoming days. So yeah, this was the actual logic for the trade, and I made this, and today was again a red day. It's like yesterday we ended up at green, but yeah, it's kind of in this October month. I'll give you a glance. It's around, this is my third day of red. Other than this, all are recently green, so it's fine for me. So this is how the stop loss I have taken, and I made a video for your clarity. If you want these videos to come regularly, you have to click on like, subscribe and comment down how this videos is really helpful to you or not. Otherwise, guys, it's of no use for me. I am just making it for kind of shareability. I love this, and mainly because of your benefit as well. So if I already told you, if this got hectic or hazy, then I'll stop uploading this kind of content because it's a pure learning content. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video.